so excited. The mechanic told me that the truck pulls super hard. It pulls really hard, so we have to find out first, and we're probably gonna get it retuned. I'll meet you guys over there. It's been a while. Nice. Free Coke. Yo, let's go do some runs. One of the guys, when I was about to leave, he's like, ten cuidado con la troca. After all the stuff I put, I mean, I don't think it'll be that bad, but we'll have to find out ahorita. Let me get out of here first. Man, that is a nice truck, why lie? I'm actually a little scared, guys, why lie? I'm a little scared. Plus, he told me the speedometer was going to be off a bit. Holy shit! This thing feels so light. Oh, I'm gonna enjoy it a bit, guys. I'm gonna enjoy this a bit. I know I'm not going that fast, hell no, but look how fast it goes up though. Imagine how strong the digs are gonna be now. And yeah, I'm gonna need fat tires. The RPMs are also a little higher. Maybe I'm wrong, but it's because I don't put attention to the RPMs, but it sounds like it's a little bit higher. That's the sexiest thing I've seen in a while. I haven't said that in a while. Right now we're gonna go back to the place, chill it out. See what kind of damage we can do tonight. Hopefully I can get some good stuff on this video. So the truck used to lock out, the stall used to lock out at around 50-ish. And now it locks out way lower, and the RPMs are definitely higher, because when I would cruise at around 80 or 90, it would be pretty low RPMs, and now they're pretty high. They're around, I think they're right under 3,000. But for top speed, it's not really much of a difference. Well, kind of, yeah, but low speed, it's a big difference. For real, this thing just hauls ass, and even just goes sometimes. It's crazy, man. Sometimes when the first gear kicks in, it squeaks a little sometimes. Sometimes it just feels like a hit. But look at this guy, Mr. Corona over there. Oh my gosh! So, yeah. Open the gate! Open the gate, please! I'm gonna park it in there. Maybe I should do a burnout. I don't know. Maybe. I don't want to get in trouble either. I don't want my grandpa to come out and kick my ass from his house. But we'll see. And for sure, goodbye to my good gas mileage. Look at that, guys. Poor tire. Oh gosh. I don't know if you guys could see in the video, I like would want to hop sometimes. I think it's because I need the traction bars. They told me I need those so the freaking truck just plants and goes. ¿Verdad? Que brincó un poquillo, ¿verdad?
Se clava por un lado, se clava para el lado.
We were kind of hot, but man.
Le soltaste, se clavaba para allá.
Sí, para un lado, ¿verdad? Pero ya, I can't wait to see the video. So I just saw the video and the truck definitely was hopping. I am gonna need some freaking traction bars, which shouldn't be that expensive. And the truck, man, it wasn't running hot, but it was hot, you know. It's pretty warm. It's not hot to where it's bad, but it's pretty hot. Look, it's been like 2 weeks since, no, it's been about a month since I freaking cleaned it, and it still looks clean. So we got the gears and the posi and the tranny, so we got all that stuff down there nice and ready, so the truck won't need to worry about the back besides traction bars, but it's like not good. So since we got all that done, we can finally start on the motor. But first I'm gonna get the windshield. I've been putting it off for over a year already. I have been neglecting that windshield real bad. Real bad. Look. So we're gonna go get this put on in the next video. No exceptions. Excuse me. No exceptions, because I have been avoiding it for the longest time. But hopefully we can get it retuned tonight, so I can show you guys. It's gonna be a big ass difference. I think it's gonna haul ass. It's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be kind of scary, especially the fact that I have these crappy ass tires. But I have a buddy in La Grulla. He has some slicks. Maybe I can try those out. We'll see. I do want my drag radials, and I do want to change up these rims soon. Probably some other 17s, but some nice ones. Oh, and by the way, as you guys saw in the video, that was my first ever actual real burnout. So no more one-wheelers. Say goodbye to these one-wheelers. Say hello to Mr. Double-Wheeler. I already talked to the tuner. We're gonna head over there where he's at right now. It's not that far, and we're gonna get the truck retuned. Hopefully it runs way better. Hopefully you can fix the speedometer. I'm pretty sure you can, because it's way off. See what we can do about this. You guys need to hear this. Watch, I'm gonna drop it in third. Watch. Oh! Oh! We're at the tuners. We're ready to get the power. We'll see what he can do. And like I said, guys, I can't really record because I'm gonna be driving, but I'll try to explain to you guys what goes on, and hopefully there's a big difference. Let's see what we can do. Let's see. Good, bro. Say what's up. I'm already out. Man, that guy was badass. Free retune, that dude. Se sacó la daga al vato, for real. The guy, he did a badass job. I mean, top end, it wasn't that much of a difference, but it still pulls hard. But the low end is where it's crazy. But yeah, he did make a difference. His retune did make a good difference. It's really firm. Since the shift points switched. So before the gears, it was from 50 to 100, and now it's like around 80. And it's crazy because the freaking truck pulls after every gear switch. And pulls. He fixed the speedometer also. Yeah. He fixed the speedometer also. This thing pulls hard, guys. I'm so excited. I have to get I'm gonna get the windshield, and after the windshield, I'm gonna have to save up for some tires. I don't know what I'm gonna do. For the next couple of videos, there probably won't be mods. There'll probably be going to races or something. Because I am wasting a good amount. And I like to keep some on me so I'm not broke. But yeah, it's freaking badass. I did a little. It slipped a little. It's crazy, guys. And when I turn it, you can even hear it like little burnouts. When I'm turning, it's crazy. So after it's all said and done, my opinion, my first impression on the gears. I mean, I was looking at videos before and after this. Like, I have some videos to compare with, and for sure, definitely after from the 50 rolls before and after the gears, it's the same. It's basically the same, except around 90 is where before the gears it was a little quicker. It's like a 2 mile per hour difference, 3 miles an hour difference. So for sure, I lost a little bit of power top end from 0 to 100. Around 90ish, I lost a little bit of power, but for sure, low speeds, I gained a lot of power. No doubt in that. So like I was saying, for sure, low speeds, my power increased a lot. Too bad I can't actually see it to like its full potential until I get some better tires, because that thing spins out like crazy. But for sure, my power down from 0 to 60, my power has increased a lot, but it's a top end where it hasn't. So to make up for that little bit of power loss, I still need a lot of stuff on the motor, you know, headers, heads, you know, all that stuff, all that good stuff. So once I put headers, that should bring back whatever power I lost up there. It will bring back whatever power I lost up down there, and it'll pull harder. But dig racing, you know, all that good stuff, it's gonna be pretty crazy. It's gonna be pretty fun. And I don't know, maybe I'll see if I can race somebody tonight. If not, pues I'm sorry, guys. If I end up finding someone to just have a little bit of fun with, you'll see the video after this. But if you don't, that means that was it. That was the end of it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Maybe I'll show you guys a little bit more pulls right now. But remember, guys, Jesus loves you. God bless you, and take care. I'm gonna try to get a couple of pulls. I can't do pulls in low speeds, but I'll do like a half throttle, ease into full throttle, just so you guys can get kind of an idea how it moves. But I won't really be able to do much until after I tune it. Do pulls from like a 30, 20, I'm just fishtailing the whole way, which kind of sucks. That is exactly why I don't step on it. That right there is exactly why I don't step on it. Some people are gonna say that I messed it up, it's too much power, this and that, blah blah blah, you know, and they still don't even know what I'm trying to do here. So I will probably switch them out later, but for now, get some fatty tires, and we're gonna do some real damage.